Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. So welcome back to another video everybody. Today we are actually in a different place. This is the old recording area. Currently the other space is being used. We will be returning there next video, but this is where we are for today and I'm pretty fine with it. Today is a very exciting video. Here's doing something funny, but we will be unboxing some gold, and I have not been unboxing any gold for such a long time because I really haven't been buying any because obviously I don't have huge capital, so it's a big purchase when it does happen. So today is actually a really big day for me and I'm so excited to show you guys this awesome bit of gold. So we'll head on to the unboxing right about now. Alright, so we have another parcel from Bullion Now in the Melbourne CBD. And they've actually shipped in a different way. They've upped their shipping price, but they've also added some more security. So hopefully this will be a lot safer when you're opening it, when you're getting sent it as well. So we'll head right in. It's going to be a really exciting one today because it is gold. So that is obviously a very big event. So going to open it up, and we are mated with the traditional envelope. Now let's get this one open. So they've got this new one. I really like this thing. You just slide it. Oh yeah, something satisfying about that. I'm so excited, you can hear it. Woo! Oh, no way, 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 no, 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 oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Woo! Okay, we've got, just to explain what I'm thinking, we got a lot of things in here, like a lot of things. So we have the tax invoice as per usual. Got to see the prices you paid. Keep those for safety. Then we have a Bullion Now, as per usual, what are they called? Business cards. And then we have a note again. Hi again, Ethan. Thanks for starring on our YouTube channel. Congratulations on reaching over 100 subscribers on your channel from the Bullion Now team. Oh, thank you guys. It was a pleasure to be on your channel. Also, if you guys haven't seen my interview on their channel, make sure to go check it out at the Bullion Now website, the Bullion Now YouTube channel, sorry. But thank you for that. Thanks guys, it was a pleasure as per usual. What is going on? This is my lucky day. I get a Bullion Now pin. What? What? Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is spanking awesome. Oh my goodness, this is my pen now. I'm going to use this all the time. And finally, the one thing that you've all been... This is the best day of my life. They got the Bullion Now bags again. Oh my goodness, look at these. Look at these. Oh my god. This is just... Okay guys, you may have seen by the title. Oh yeah. 2020 1/10 ounce Kangaroo. What? What? Would you look at that? Oh, it's amazing. It's so cool. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy. Wow. I was not expecting anything from the handwritten note to the pen to the bag, but the gold. It's remarkable. Oh my goodness. And I thought my old monkey was amazing. My 1/20th ounce monkey. This is insane. Oh my god, I've got to get a picture to show you guys up close. Let's flip it around and have a look. This is remarkable. Oh, I'm so excited. All these amazing things. Thank you guys so very much. But here we have it. If I can get a good angle. The 2020 Perth Mint Australian Kangaroo. 1/10 of an ounce. I can't really get it focused in on that bit there, but... absolutely remarkable. 4 nines fine gold, as is always. Right along the bottom there, it's a bit too small and a bit too shiny to be able to see, but still visible to the human eye. Wow. This thing is absolutely incredible. Oh, that's a better light. There you go. $15. Woo! Wow. I'm just in awe right now. This is such a beautiful piece. And it actually came within very good timing. So thank you guys very much. Very, very splendid purchase as per usual. Not sponsored by these guys, but I'm definitely a big fan. Oh, it's not focusing now, sadly. But there you have it, everybody. There we go. Wow, another great purchase. Well, what do you guys think? This has definitely made my week at the bare minimum. I'm just so incredibly happy with this, and it feels really significant to be buying my biggest ever bit of gold. So this is actually my whole entire gold stack now. I recently sold the rest of my gold in order to be able to move up to a bigger piece. So I did make a video about that if you guys would like to see the process. But this is it. This is the big one that everyone's been asking about. This is the new piece of gold, and wow, I'm so happy. It's significantly bigger. Like, I can feel the difference in size. It's incredible. It's awesome. It's spectacular. That noise sums everything up. It's remarkable. It's so good. So very happy with that. That's all for now, guys. And make sure to I'm just so excited. Make sure to stay tuned for the next video, or the video after that, or something like that, because I'll be telling you guys how I managed to buy this 1/10 ounce coin for 30% under spot.